Today we're working on Gus's 2002 Dodge Neon.
That's right.
And we got to replace the shifter cables.
That's right.
Nobody has a video on the internet of this, supposedly. So, as you can tell after we remove the east wing, you got to get rid of these clips here. Well, you need some muscle.
There's one clip like this. That's what they look like.
That is what needs to come out. You need these.
Oh yeah, some of those. Those help a little bit.
Alright, so we got one. Now we're going to work on two.
Alright, this is how I figured out the first one. Nobody likes calling their father-in-law 100 times to ask for advice, right? So
we got our leverage
fuckers in here. Then you wedge old Eastie up in here, and I pry it down. And that motherfucker come out of there. We probably could take a couple hoses out the way, but we're not good mechanics, and we don't know what the fuck they're for. So we leave it the fucking shit alone. Can't get a good bite on this one.
The second one's a little tough.
Yeah, it's hard to maneuver it to get a bite in there. There you go.
What if you have a third hand?
Yeah, if you had a cameraman, it helps.
Now, I know it looks like dental surgery, but it's really not.
Hold on. Let me try to move this boot up a little bit. It said no. That sucks. Threw this shit out. Oh, it don't want to let me fucking do it. Hold on. Why don't we do this one too?
Remove cotter pin.
Let's try and move it. Something like that. Well, you know what else? This one's angled big time.
Yeah, that one's at a weird angle.
It's a very weird angle. So you're almost pulling. Everywhere you pull too, it's like pull against the danger. There it is.
And that's how you get these clips out. And once you got that, you're freaking golden.
Yeah. Now they should pop right out. Yep. I just couldn't. I mean, with YouTube. So that you can get to the firewall.
And here's the other end of the cables. After you take out the pretty little center dash unit. Now somehow we gotta lift her up and get the heat shield off. So that way we can access the rest of it. But your hardest part is those clips.
Right
there.
Think you'll let me go under